I've been checking the weather on my iPad and a storm has approached. It's a rain/wind storm. You probably can't see the rain because it's like dark, but if you look over there near the street light, zoom in there, the camera's not focused. And again, I apologise for that. You can see it's raining, hopefully. If you look over there, yeah, it's raining. I can feel it, even if I put my hand out the window. I'm going to just put the iPad here a sec. And so, just put my hand out the window quite simply. Yeah, it's a rainstorm. It's a rain and windstorm. This is going to be the first ever video of my brand new YouTube channel. I have another channel which is called, it used to be called Technology Lover, and I used to make videos on fans, but now it's not called Technology Lover anymore. It's called The Big and Small and Tower Fan Collection of Glowworms, to make something more related to fans. But anyway, this is the weather. This is my brand new weather channel. I'm doing videos on weather, and I've got a rain/windstorm over where I live. Putting the iPad just there. You can probably hear the rain better. The iPad said we're supposed to get thunder in the next hour. It said that about half an hour ago, so we've probably only got half hour till the thunder starts approaching. And when that comes, I'll make my second video. Yeah, I'll make my second video. It'll be tonight of the thunder part of it, of today, of tonight even. Yeah, I'll have a thunder video in about half an hour. Hopefully, if the iPad's right. This bit's the rain bit of it though. Could probably not see right. I'm gonna take the camera into my bedroom and just turn the light off. Yeah, it might be easier to see here. Now the camera focuses. It's not really wanting to focus. Hold on, I'm just gonna clean the camera. I'm just going to put the iPad here a second so I can clean the camera. The camera is starting to be pretty stupid and not focused. I'll be back in anyway. It's a very dark cloud out there. I'll be surprised if we don't get the thunder now. Can't really see. The camera's not wanting to focus. But I apologise about this. Honestly, I'll make it up to you guys. So I'm going to be back in half an hour for the thunderstorm. I'm going to put an end to this video. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you like the video. But if you don't like the video, please let me know in the comments below and I'll try and improve next time. And I apologise for that. But goodbye for now. And I'm very sorry the camera didn't focus properly. So goodbye for now. Anyway, next time I make the video, hopefully the camera will be focused. I hope so anyway, but anyway, that's going to be it for now. Goodbye for now with the rain/windstorm.